FTC check these on 3 compact discs. Roll the man down, mateys. Roll the man down. Roll your boat in the Navy. Come on, join your fun. And now get a bonus CD. Hornpipe Beaver.
Your long, two-lane wide, 65 tons of American painted road. Painted road.
The best thing about this box is it contains people's misery. Doesn't make you so great. When somebody's on the ball all the way out to the car, then realize they don't have the keys. Hey, look, it's Homer's driver's license. 185 pounds. Who's he trying to
Congratulations! The line's almost over. Only 45 more minutes. Just kidding. I have no idea how much longer it is. So here to entertain you are Itchy and Scratchy.
Hey, those are just 2 drunks who fished out of the gutter.
That's a lie!
You're fired. And leave the suit. Go! Keep the suit!
I appreciate nice people because,
One word of warning that may mar your otherwise enjoyable day in my park. There's a psychopathic killer on the loose. His name is Sideshow Bob, and he used to work for me. For some reason, he hates me. Then Bob tried to frame me for robbery, and he was foiled by the Simpsons. And now he's vowed to kill them all, even the baby. 6 months ago, Bob escaped from the Springfield Penitentiary. He is rumored to be in the vicinity of this park, but rest assured, my Crackerjack security team has everything under control.
I'm sorry, does anyone know which end the bullet goes in?
like, how do you expect the baby to get on the video? Yeah. And I ruined their moment. The previous first time that Universal visited
Now, which lucky family will be the first to go on my thrilling new ride? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Make it quick, I gotta go to the little clown's room, so the family that will see my show is the one who hollers, go! Fine, you're in. Come with me. Oh, and you can pick one other group to come with you.
How about these guys?
Sure, whatever. They look clean. You guys come with me. You stay here and wait for someone to tell you to do something.
Yes, I also told Jordan for a while. Just about.
Oh, the growling.
That was pretty cool.
Now, if a human being were to enter that room, who knows what events might occur you like? They could grow 50 feet tall, or 3 extra arms, or an eye where their nose should be, which is painful.
Hey, Nerdenheimer, don't you have a test tube to polish?
Yes, I do, actually, but you denied my request for test tube polish. I've been using rainwater in my shirt tail.
Get out of here! Here we are at the vehicle boarding station.
I'm sorry, sir. People with heart conditions may not ride. Why, I'm in the best shape I've ever... Oh, heart attack! Been in my life. I feel like a 20-year-old massive aneurysm. How it outside?
Oh, you can watch Maggie.
You can enjoy each other's nonsense. You don't say. Well, back in my day, people never had to go to Well, Maggie, looks like I'll be taken care of. Maggie, stay with Grandpa. Wow, we're the first people to ever ride this baby. We're like that space guy who did that moon thing.
Neil Armstrong?
No, Chewbacca!
Now enjoy the Ferris wheel. Or whatever this is. What do you want?
A dish best served cold.
Is it ice cream?
No revenge! We're on vacation!
Can't you kill me on a work day?
Simpsons, get in that ride!
Forget it, Bob. We'll never... Dad!
I waited in line an hour for this thing and I'm riding it! Now hop in!
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A legally required scene.
Here are some brief guidelines to ensure a safe and pleasant experience. When the doors open, move immediately into the vehicle boarding station. Walk, don't run. Proceed to the left and right side of the vehicle. We ask that you place all large or fragile items, including cameras and video recorders, against the wall outside the vehicle, and hold on to all loose articles. Take your seats in an orderly fashion, and please watch your head as you enter the vehicle. If you have difficulty dealing with small spaces, make the Krusty crew member aware of this before entering the vehicle. Once you are seated, please pull down on the lap bar. Please remain seated and face forward while the vehicle is in motion. Keep your arms and legs clear of the closing doors and inside the vehicle at all times. Thanks for your attention. Enjoy the ride.
I've taken over every area of the park. There's no place you'll be safe from me. And now, enjoy a ride that's about to be demolished while you're riding it.
A roller coaster! Sweetie, they won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do. You're about to die.
You sound like my doctor!
Unexpected. So anyway, where are you all going?
Not only are you not killing us, I'm having fun! Oh, that's a load of corporate... Oh, you stick flying that way! Hey, I can see our car! Oh, you guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? You don't want to hurt me, Ball? We're both big and round and never finished high school!
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth. You're all gonna die. The kiddie ride. Oh, make her safe.
Panda begs to differ. You shut up. Say we.
Alone at last.
I'm trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
Oh, because I want to bear a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you.
Oh, beer! Did beer hurt anybody? Uh-oh. I hate chain reactions!
You spoiled my plans for the last time. Now!
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save you! Honor and continue plan!
Hey, that exit sign leads to an exit! Mark, stay away from the ramp! Finding ramps!
Now for the unkindest cut of all.
The radiation hit the Maggie!
Boy, they go up so fast!
I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield.
I'm not gonna change that diaper.
Mommy's coming, giant Maggie!
sweet. No! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are slapping my face!
This must be the part where they take your picture. Okay? Smile.
5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over. Let's go again! I want to go again!
Well, that's our ride. Hey, what does this do?